Hello and welcome back to the channel. So on today's video we're gonna go over these matte Motegi Racing Wheels, brand new. We're gonna pull them off and I'm gonna show you how to apply the boosted 2.0 ceramic coating with the sprayer, the airbrush, or we're gonna lay them down with the applicator. Unfortunately we were tied off for time, so we had to mount the wheels and tires, but nevertheless we're gonna remove them, we're gonna spray them, coat them, take you to the entire process, and then putting them back into the car, torque them to the specs, and apply the T2 to the tires. So with that said, let's flip this thing around and it's gonna be a step-by-step of how to apply the Turbo Wax Boosted 2.0 to matte wheels that they will not bring the shine out, but they will give you the protection needed for the road conditions. So with the booster we go. Okay, so let's go over the ceramic coating of brand new Motegi Racing Wheels. This one is already done and I'm going to show you with the wheel outside. We're going to go through the whole thing. So we're going to be applying the Turbo Wax Boosted 2.0 ceramic coating. These wheels are matte, as you can see, and our coating will not bring any shine to them. Inside the kit it comes the glass bottle, and then it has the applicator, and it has 3 microfiber little towels. Don't forget that you need gloves and that you need a respirator. Then I'm going to show you with the compressor, and we have a video about the compressors and the type of airbrush that we use. The cleaning surface that we use always is the prep oil. If needed, prior to the prep oil, you will go with the wheel cleaner deluxe. Then I transfer the prep oil to the sprayer, and at the end we will put the tires with the tire dressing T2. So here's everything that you need to do the job. You can find everything on our website, www.turbowax.com. So unfortunately we were pressed for time and we were not able to get these wheels unmounted, so they came to us already mounted, and here's what we're going to be doing. So I put these screws on here so I don't put any ceramic in there, and as you can see they put some tire dressing at the tire shop or something, so I'm going to be cleaning all of that. I'm not going to do any polishing. I'm simply going to spray with the prep oil, and I'm going to clean all these surfaces, and then we're going to go and apply the boosted. I'm going to show you how to apply the boosted with the sprayer right here on the front side of the rims, and then I'm going to show you how to apply on the back side with the microfiber and the block. And this is something that anybody can do. You don't need to be a professional detailer. And remember that the curing time, depending on the ambient temperature and the room temperature, is about 4 to 5 minutes. You simply gonna apply and wait the time and remove. During the application I will have to wear the mask, so I won't be able to talk to you because it sprays quite a bit of product, and it's not good for your lungs. Also, you want to make sure that you have good ventilation. We got ventilation there. So that's a little pic here. That's the Turbo Wax Paint Sealant Extreme. She's looking good, but today is about the wheels. So okay, I'm gonna mount this gizmo, and first step we're gonna clean the wheel. Alright, so with the prep oil I like to go into the microfiber and simply glide back and forth right here, clean all that. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes for the solution to evaporate, so keep that in mind. You want to use a clean microfiber rag, and then this area here we are not going to spray, neither the center here, but we are going to put the coating on the bottles heavy. And then for the front we turn around and we do the same thing. We go to the microfiber, little splash, and just simply wipe this surface off. Make sure we don't have any residue. Okay, so from this point I'm going to put the mask on, and we're going to spray the front first, and then we're going to turn around and show you how to do the back side. If you by any chance decide to spray directly into the wheel with the prep oil, chances are that you're going to contaminate the coating, because you're not going to be able to get some of the stuff unless you use a little blower or another device. So that's what we recommend, that you put to the microfiber first. Make it easy on yourself, and just make sure that I don't have any spots left or whatnot. And chances are I'm gonna put the wheel on the ground face up, and then we spray. All right, so let's get ready. All right, we got her face up, and I can never say this enough, that you gotta make sure that you have all the chemical out of the surface. There should be no haze, no high spots, nothing. So I went behind with a clean microfiber, and I'm checking for spots that might be there. You will see like a small haze, and that is a sign that there's some of the chemical left. Maybe I put too much or whatnot, but nevertheless, all you have to do is simply wipe the surface real well, and then we spray away. So we're gonna connect the compressor, put the mask, and we're just gonna spray away. Okay, at first glance it looks like the tire is all shiny now, but it's not. Once we wait the 5 minutes and we remove the coating, it will look just like that, matte. Another tip that I can tell you is that we like to use the prep oil for the tires prior to putting the T2, and what that will do is it will allow the T2 to stick to the tire and last even longer. So as you can see, so we're gonna wait 5 minutes, and then we're gonna remove away. Okay, and we're back, and here I left an area without removing the coating. The rest I did. Look at how beautiful they look. No high spots or anything. So I just want to show you right here how we go from the shine to the proper matte color right here. There you have it. So if you see any shaded areas, chances are that you have what we call a high spot. You can simply keep wiping it off with the microfiber. If it dries on you and you have a spot, simply apply a little bit of the coating, level it again with the microfiber, and you're good to go. So we're gonna put the wheel back in the car and show you. And I can see a little high spot right here. See it there? It's a little shaded area right here and right here. So I will cover that up and we are good to go. Alright, so with the applicator and the microfiber, wrap it around the block, put your coating, and simply glide away. Cover all those surfaces. Now you have a few options when you do the bottles. You can wait for the curing time and remove the product, or you can simply leave it there. I like to leave the product on the bottles because it gives them a lot more protection. So I will not be removing the excess that I have here. On the front I will be leveling, but not on the back. I done a lot of tests with this, and it helps a lot because the layer is thicker. So it's a little more. And then the spokes, the back side of the spokes, same thing. I will put the product and I will not remove it, and I'm gonna show you afterwards what it looks like. Final view. Remember the back, we didn't remove the coating for the extra protection, but it doesn't look bad at all. Extremely hard to see anything, and it will blend right in. And then the front one, we got it all done and it looks beautiful. That's the end result right there. So the wheels are coated 3 years plus. Just gotta maintain them with the Quick Detailer Plus or the ceramic coating spray, the TC1. Okay, let's mount this baby up and put some of the T2 and we are good to go. Okay, so we got the wheels completely done. What they look outside, beautiful with the booster as you saw, the T2 on the tires, and then the car we touch it up with the paint sealant extreme. The car is ceramic coated, so we did a quick maintenance and it looks good. And now has the wheels protected. It looks very nice. The wheels, they came out very nice. All right, so there she is, all done. And thank you for the emails and all the messages. Check us on Instagram, TurboWax, and thank you for liking and watching our videos, and we're moving on to the next one. Until then, thank you.